A suspect charged in the murder of a Cleveland mother nearly 28 years ago was at the Justice Center in person for the first time today.
And we were the only news crew that was at the Justice Center for this. Investigator Sarah Goldenberg has more from the suspect's attorney.
Michael Bukowski's attorney tells us prosecutors haven't handed over or shown them any details about what possible evidence they have in this case, allegedly tying him to the murder of Catherine Parisi. 50-year-old Michael Bukowski pleaded not guilty to all charges, including murder and gross abuse of a corpse back in January. The Toledo man is accused of murdering 25-year-old Kathy Parisi back in 1997. 19 News has been covering her disappearance for years. Her body has never been found. Bukowski dodged our camera at the Justice Center in Cuyahoga County as he waited for pretrial this morning. 19 Investigates was the only crew there. We spoke with Bukowski's attorney, Marcus Sidoti, outside the courtroom. His client is out on $500,000 bond, and the only condition the judge set was he's not allowed any contact with witnesses or Parisi's family. Prosecutors initially asked for $1 million bond and cited his violent juvenile past. After he bonded out, they asked the court at the very least to make Bukowski wear an ankle monitor, but that didn't happen. We asked Sidoti whether he thinks Bukowski's bond is fair.
I think it's appropriate. I mean, top two conditions of bond are that people aren't committing any offenses and they show up to court, right? And that's really what it is. This is a allegation that's about 3 decades old, and my client has maintained his innocence in regards to the allegations. He's remained in the community. He's been working. He's obviously here at court today for his pretrial, so he's not a flight risk, and obviously everybody's innocent until proven guilty, so I don't think there's any reason or justification to modify the bond at this time.
I recently spoke with one of Kathy's 2 daughters. She told me she expected Bukowski to bond out, and her family is ready for the long road ahead. Bukowski's next pretrial is set for March 31st. Sarah Goldenberg, 19 News.